this is a review of the LED neon sign style that I'm going to be doing a review about, and this is the version of Dream until it is your reality version of it. So there's different text and different fonts you could choose, but I opted and chose the Dream until it is your reality LED neon sign, and we're pretty much going to test this thing out to see whether or not if it works and how bright it is. And this it's like a vanity sign that looks really good in your home, and it's a good, a collection piece to add to your home to give that inspiration and aspiration. But yeah, we're gonna be doing putting this on to see how well this thing works. And it's powered with the USB, so you have to pretty much plug this into something that has a USB option. So let me get this thing out from here, and we're gonna show you guys exactly how, this thing. So yeah, you're gonna need the USB to pretty much plug it into any type of source that has a USB, and then from there it should turn on. And then we also get different modes and functions of pretty much these three options right here. So this is like probably to turn it on, this is to dim the brightness, and you could adjust the brightness. So that's one of the cool things that it offers and has. And I'm gonna be showing you guys some hardware that comes with that as well too for the installation. Okay, so for the installation, it comes with these screws. So you have the option to drill a hole to your wall, and you could use that to pretty much to secure it and to fit into your wall. So it offers some screws, and it comes with an extra set of screws right over here as well too. And then right from here, we also get another option. If you want, you could use this as a chain, and to hang it up. So you have the chain option as well too, which is pretty neat and cool. And then right over here, we also get other options as well too. So this is like something to, if you want to, it's like a piece of magnet to pretty much hook it up, so you have that option as well too. But we're gonna be going to a different area, to a different room, to set this thing up and show you guys how it's installed and how I did it. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be using maybe the screws, or if not, maybe the stuff that comes with that. But yeah, we're gonna install this, see how well this thing works, how bright it is, and whether or not if this is worth it. Okay, so I couldn't find a exact room or location to pretty much install it, but I wanted to show you guys on how it is, and it really is a beautiful piece of art, and it looks really amazing. And you can see the blue, the who color, and then the whites. It looks really, I love the contrast of it. Dream until it is your reality. It looks really amazing. And we do have a different types of so for example, you could actually dim this as well too. So if I hit this button right over here, let's see, if I click this button, pretty much it. So you could see that it turned off right over here, and then when you want to turn it on, you could turn it on just like that. And different options, you could also dim this down too. You can see it's going a little bit dim, but yeah, that's the brightest setting right over here. I would definitely recommend this LED neon sign because of it is super bright, and I love the color contrast. It really is amazing. It'll look until I find a good location where to put it. It looks really super easy to install. It comes with the screws like I showed you guys. Then there's some sticky adhesive that you come with some hooks. You could use that as well too. That's option number 2. Option number 3 has those chains. You could use that too to hang it around. If, let's say, for example, if you want to hang it in your garage, you could do that as well too. But overall, the quality, the design, it's the glass material as well too. You can see it's like glass, so it really is high quality, and I would definitely recommend this LED neon sign if you're looking for a good, pretty much a vanity sign for your house or your home or for your garage. Then this one is probably one of the best ones that you could get.